up, y'all? It's Grizzly Dent 93 coming at you for a brand new video, but it's special. If you can tell behind me, there's a seat and everything else. Hold on, let me throw a dip in, and we're getting a tour of my truck. Haha! I told y'all I told Steve I'd be making a video of my truck sooner or later, and I finally actually had a chance to make one of my truck. And I'll show you my stereo, what I have. So let me throw a dip in. I got me some T-Wolf mint, pretty good. It has a little sweetness into it. I'm not gonna say it's nasty, 'cause it's not. My mom thinks it tastes like shit. I don't like it. I want to try the cool wintergreens that they have. Watch me like a bit. I crushed my fucking can when going mud riding last night, and I crushed my fucking can and shit. I'll show you my sound system with hits like. Alright. This is my truck. So Ford emblem. Don't talk shit with my damn truck, 'cause this thing's a 96 and it's been through hell. Yeah, that's my stereo right here. I got aftermarket fuel. I got different speakers on these. I can't see them, but I got those. Let me throw a damn song in first. Y'all want to hear a bass? Find some songs on my iPod. Damn. But, like I said, I'm making a video of my truck. So I finally did, and see, hopefully y'all like this one. Tell me what y'all think about my truck. Oh, shit. I hate going to those fucking things, Mom. This is my damn song. Shit. Music. Sorry, I had none of this shit ready. Fuck. Hip hop. Okay, that's a good song. Oh. Shit. This song hits guitar. Lollipop remix.
Lollipop, breath is just like lollipop, and she ride my spaceship till she hit the top. That hit the spot, till she asked how many little licks do it take till she get to shop. Don't worry why my wrist got so free. Tell a girl like Doritos, that's nacho cheese. Tell a friend like Fritos, I'm trying to lay. I can only have one and I ain't trying to wait. It's a song with Wayne, so you know it's gon' melt, but you ain't gonna murder me or everybody. I'ma rap like I got some type of respect for myself. I don't do it for my health, man, I do it for the belt. Man, I do it to the death.
That's my sound system. Here's on the radio. I'll show y'all my subs and everything in the back. This is my amp. I have my truck. Another rock forward. Let's see one of my speakers. My truck. Going around. Something I got nailed up. Kind of dirty. Okay. Those are my subs. Probably can't see it good. So, there. Those are my 2 subs. These are Punch, Rock from Punch, P2. I think those are 10-inch or 12s. I think 10. They put out some damn power, y'all. Oh, but yeah, this is it. See, it's all fucking dented and shit. My cousin fucking tear up some shit. It was my cousin's because my dad, that was his niece, godson, so he let borrow it for a while. That's about it, really, but like I said, I've been making videos. Well, I try to put the damn cell phone right here. Yeah, it's kind of hard. But I get some shout outs. Shout out to Takin. I've been talking to him saying I would make a video of my truck and he's been waiting for it. Oh, I got a stick shift too. I ain't got no matic shit. So anyway, here's Archie. It's Crush. Number 15. God, it's hard to hold. But we're into like this. Damn it. I hope y'all can see me. There you go. Shitler radio. Here's some little country station. True pure. Oh. Got shit on that either. Ain't shit on that. That ain't shit in the damn radio. Let's play 182 back on. I think it about. Yeah, I probably know this song. I Miss You by 122. But yeah, shout out to Outlaw. I saw his new video with Levi Garrett. Great video, like I said. Sorry about the rig. I must suck. See, we got snow down here in the south. Really. Hopefully, we get some snow this year. A little snow, comfortable. Because it was cold Friday night. It was at least 28 degrees out here in Washington. It was fucking cold. Shout out to Mitch Mart, Undefined CG. Bernard, Bassman. Shit. I think Marlboro's one. I don't have a paper. I just hand size to make that video. But shout out to all y'all who make this videos. I'm glad we're seeing some new people come up on YouTube. But I went a little mud riding last night. Me and my dad and my dad's buddy, he built his four-wheeler. Oh, I mean, and broke his damn hand. Let me take my time right quick. 8:40, alright. Like I said, I got me, well, you can't see it, my camera's holding the camera. But, that's what I have. What happened and everything. I got to show you my dad's backyard. This is my dad's backyard. Y'all, 2 four-wheelers right there. Travel trailer. I can't really see it, but far in the back there's wood. Well, there used to be wood. They cut over, and there's woods behind that. That's another video. Hopefully next time with special guests. Here's a Get 93. Yeah, like I said. Look, this is what I had to fix this because that fell off. It was like I was playing with it one day, about to drive, and it was like